impress me, so don't test me, nah.
So don't test me, nah. Don't test me.
Yo, you don't impress me, so don't test me, nah.
So don't test me, nah. Don't test me.
Yo, they wouldn't let me. Man's gal wanna come undress me. Swing with the right, but I might go lefty. I make plus with it, so don't test me. They wouldn't let me. Man's gal wanna come undress me. Swing with the right, but I might go lefty. I make plus with it, so don't test me. Nah, you don't impress me, so don't test me.
This sounds ridiculous. We are at TRC Street Kings. And I suck at putting this on. We're at TRC Street Kings. Yeah, we got our driver's meeting in 20 minutes. We got a tech in. Woo! You guys ready? I'm ready. We got a few bikes, man. There's a bunch of bikes. So we spoke to Javi, and there's 35 bikes. He said there are a lot of power adder bikes. So it's probably, he said what they're thinking about doing is splitting the classes between power adders and NA bikes, which still there's some built bikes here too, built NA bikes. So it's going to be an interesting competition, I can tell you that. A lot of high horsepower bikes, a lot of badass cars. It's going to be a cool event. I'm excited, man. I'm excited. I'm stoked. My heart's racing right now. I'm excited. It's cool. So yeah, but we got to go tech in, and we got to go do that.
Tech in.
Yeah, driver's meeting here is in 20 minutes, so we got to get rolling. So
we'll see you guys on the track.
Here we go.
Don't test me. Don't test me. Don't test me. Yo, don't test me. Don't test me.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to TRC Street Kings. This is our 6th year. Believe it or not. Who's never road raced before? Raise your hand. It's Florida. What are you doing?
So we just got done doing our first round of qualification, so we're waiting to hear back to see if we're gonna do the round 2. The H2 did pretty good. It's a little low on the mile an hour, but it's also really hot. It's getting a little muggy out here. You can probably see I'm sweating. It's not cool by any means. So we're running a little bit slower, but that's kind of to be expected. So we're gonna see how everything does after this second round of qualifications. Then we're gonna go to eliminations. We're gonna see who we're gonna get paired with. So how this works really quickly is it's called a chip draw for us motorcycles. And basically as they split up our classes, which we're gonna have a power adder class and then a NA motor. So naturally aspirated, no power adder. So built motor's okay. Stock motor's okay, obviously, but the power adder class is superchargers, turbochargers, and nitrous. Anything that's forced induction. Those bikes are basically going to be all in one class, and right now we have 11 contenders. So we're going to see what the second round does. We're going to see, kind of get at the gist of the bike, see what it wants to do. There's a lot of fast bikes here, man. There's a really good showing of bikes. This has been one of the best years yet. Super exciting, very, very fun so far. We're all having a blast, so ultimately that's what matters. But anyway, guys, we're gonna sit here. I think we gotta get suited up soon, so we're gonna get suited up and we're gonna go see what the H2 can do. So here we go.
Not ahead of cam, bro. Short distance. Nah, right here. Bro, I'm finna start. So when y'all finna start? He's right here. Right here. He's on here. That's from here to here. That's me. The white line? To the white line, bro. That's short. This the one. looked at me, he goes, oh, you're matched up with him? I go, yeah. He goes, he grabbed my card, he gave me the my card, he goes, I'm racing him. He goes, he was talking shit. I'm like, all right.
We've already done one elimination round, and unfortunately, 3 of our guys are, well, since we're joined up with Exoticycle, three of us basically got kicked out. I ended up winning on the first round, so we're going to second round. And shockingly, Chris Moore and his brother, Big Country, got knocked out in the first round as well. So there's a little bit of controversy with it. Of course, there's always controversy, but needless to say, as of right now, they got kicked out of the first round as well. So the other bikes that are in there, I think there are a couple of turbo boosters. They're very, very, very fast bikes. So I got my hands full. It's going to be interesting, but hey, at these events, it's anybody's race. So we did not get a second round of actual qualifying or testing, they said. So we literally had one test pass and then straight into the elimination. So needless to say, I'm happy. I mean, dude, we're having a good time. Like, guys, this is what it's all about ultimately. You know, I told them, hey, this is learning lessons and having a good time. If we're going home safe, the bikes are going home and they're fine, they're not blown up, it was a good day. So that's ultimately what really matters out of these events. But we're having a blast. This is a great time. We're gonna see what the H2 can do on this next go around. Like I said, it's anybody's race. So we'll see. I don't want to jinx myself, but I usually have pretty good luck on these at these events. So we'll see how it goes. We ended up getting kicked out in the semifinals on the Street King class. Honestly, the rules really kind of screwy on this event. It was a really sloppy event, honestly. It needed some critiquing ultimately. There was no real clear rules, and even the rules that they had laid out, they didn't really adhere to the rules, so they didn't have a way to regulate the rules. And quite literally, when we asked them, hey, these are what you state in your rules, how are we regulating it? They kind of just shrugged and said, well, we don't know. Nobody has any answers. A lot of people are pretty upset, but anyway,
Cars and bikes.
Yeah, either way, we had a good time. We learned a lot. It was a lot of fun. A lot of bikes got beaten, that got kicked out, that on paper they shouldn't have lost, but they lost. You know, look at Chris Moore, look at Big Country. They reran those bikes like 4 times, 3 times. So needless to say, you know, not everybody's happy about the event. Not everybody think it was ran pretty fair, and it wasn't. It wasn't. So regardless though, we had fun. The bikes did really good still. They still ran out. You guys still ran around out.
Definitely.
So we still had fun, you know.
She feels like she used to.
Yeah. We had, I mean, again, it was a really cool experience. It was a lot of fun all in all. Aside from the politics and all that other jazz, it was a lot of fun. We had a blast, and I'm sure we'll be doing something like this again.
No, we'll definitely be coming back more.
We'll
hopefully next time it's a little bit, you know, better organized, and we get some cleaner runs in. But all in all, I had fun. I'm pretty sure these guys had fun.
I had a lot of fun.
Yeah, dude, it was a blast. I want to bring, again, like every year.
How many excuses do you have?
None.
Let's hear them.
None.
My tires
I'm
are
heavier. I'm heavier. I don't have a built motor. I'm not on spray.
Wait. I do want to say this. We were the true 2 NA bikes here.
Yeah,
we were the only NA bikes.
Like stock motor NA. Stock motor NA bikes. Yeah, they were the only 2 here that were set up like that. Everybody else either had built motor or spray, nitrous turbo, supercharged. So in fairness, yeah, they definitely were the underdogs of the event, and they got paired up with some obviously built motor stuff. So, you know, it is what it is. It's a learning curve. We learn, we say, all right, we got to build them bigger,
Now we
better.
for next time, that's all.
And we need to make more power.
We're gonna come out swinging next time.
Yeah, so and that's what makes it fun. That's honestly what makes losing awesome, because you learn and you're saying, I don't want to lose again.
Nope.
I'm gonna come out stronger next time. This is
better.
how we do it. So
Better attitude for next time. Just stay positive. And go back and make some adjustments and come back stronger.
I mean, so put it this way: the bike that actually won the forced induction class. You know, again, there were some discrepancies around everything, but the bike that actually won supposedly is a stock motor Gixxer on spray. You know, that's it, with a good jockey, a lightweight jockey. It's got some lightweight mods and stuff, really good setup, but you know, and the guy's fast. I got to give it to him. The guy is fast. You know, he's a good jockey, small guy, but he is fast, you know. So, needless to say, I mean, that's competition. That's how events go. You never know how it's going to turn out until you go through it and it unfolds the way it unfolds. So, you know, it is what it is. We tried to contest some of the runs. They basically are just saying no. So it is what it is. You know, there's nothing we can really do at this point. So that's why we say screw it. We had a good time. We learned a lot. We'll be back to, you know, we'll be back to some kind of event.
We got some plans.
Yeah, we'll be back. We'll go to some events and future events, and again, hopefully come out bigger, stronger. You know, but we still did good. I'm definitely not unhappy with how we did today.
Definitely not.
So
No.
I said I lost in the first round, but I'm happy with how the bike turned out and how it did.
But look at some
For
of the
sure.
other classes. 400 plus horsepower bikes going out in the first round. You see what I'm
Exactly.
saying?
And-
Look at Moore, first round, knocked out. You know what I'm saying? Like Big Country, first round, knocked out. Like those are big names. That's why it's like, all right, if they are out first round, so again, you know.
We didn't lose by
Never know
much.
what's gonna
It's not like we got
It's the
walked
track.
away.
This is why I love the track, though. You never know what's gonna happen. You never know. It's anybody's game. So
We didn't lose by much, so I'm happy with that. That's
Yeah.
all.
Yeah, I'm not, dude.
yeah.
Compared to what
Win
we
or
were paired
lose.
up against,
Yeah, man.
Win
We
or
still had
lose,
a good
we had a
time.
good time.
And I guarantee you guys learned a shit ton today.
Yep.
Guarantee it. How hard you can come out on the throttle. Like, now it's like, all right, I wasn't coming out as hard as I
was being a
thought.
bitch on the throttle last time.
That's what I was trying to get at, is like, you think you're like, yeah, I'm on it. And then you do an event where it's highly competitive and you're like, holy shit, I was not on it before. Like, this is way different.
Nope.
Same thing with the H2 though, man. I was pussyfooting in qualifying, and then all of a sudden, first round, pick it right up. It's like, okay, I wasn't hitting as hard as I should have. That's that moment of like reality. Like, you got to take your pride out, you know what I mean? And just like think about the actual, okay, I did go faster. I did push it harder, you know what I mean? But again, that's why I love the track. That's why I love it. You learn and grow so much when you're here versus out on the street, you know?
Hey, well, don't knock the streets so much.
I'm not knocking it, I'm just saying, you'll definitely learn more doing this shit
Coming
than
from a
roll
track
racing on the
guy.
street.
Coming from a track guy.
Well, we had fun. We hope you guys enjoy the content. There's definitely more to come. Got some more going on with the shop bikes coming in the future. And next time we come out, we're gonna come out swinging and hopefully take home one of these trophies.
Hell yeah. That's all we
That's
can
my
ask
goal.
for.
Enough said.
And if not, there's always another one.
There's always gonna be there's always another event. Always gonna be another event.
Appreciate Seth for coming out and hanging out with us and dealing
Yeah.
with our BS all day.
Thank you to Seth.
you.
I'm sure
Big
this
shout out to
video
Seth.
has been fire. We'll see. Seriously, it takes a tribe to make this work. So awesome
effort.
job. Yeah, everybody involved. We're more than grateful, more than thrilled to be where we're at today. Honestly.
Absolutely.
5 years ago, I never thought I'd be doing something like this. You know what I mean? Especially with the people that I'm doing it with. Never.
6 months ago, I didn't think I'd be doing
There you go. Totally different world. We want to go ahead and say thank you to everybody that was involved in this. I mean, Seth, our cameraman today, and the editor. We had obviously Lewis and Cameron. They also helped set up the bikes, helped pack the trailer. I mean, just all the teamwork involved, getting everything going, helped set up the H2, helped set up their own bikes. You know, there's a lot of people. We also had Ken with us. He was he got us these shirts for the event. He did banners and yeah, like he did all kinds of stuff. I mean, we couldn't thank him enough, you know? Yeah, he put some cool names on the back, you know? But he was also a big help in all this. Travis Yeager, he helped with the H2 also back when it was hurt. So without his help, it wouldn't have been where it's sitting now.
No.
Again, thank you to all of our fans, all the subscribers. You guys also, without you, our channel would be nothing. So
Keep us moving.
yeah,
Keep going.
seriously, keep leaving us feedback, leave us comments, leave us likes, whatever, criticism, whatever. Talk to us. We want to know what you guys are thinking. That's how we grow. We appreciate everything. Again, guys, like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. We really, really, really appreciate you guys. All right. So thank you. Be safe.
See you in
See
the
you
next
on another
one.
episode.